If you want to make it super easy for visitors to contact you through your Google site, adding a clickable phone number link is the perfect solution. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. So let's get started. First, open your Google site and go to the page where you want your phone number to appear. Simply type in the phone number you'd like visitors to call. Once you've entered it, highlight the number with your cursor. Next, look at the toolbar above and click on the link icon, the little chain symbol. A box will pop up asking for a URL. Instead of entering a website, type in this format. Tell colon your _phone_number. For example, if your number is 123-456-7890, you would enter tell 123-456-7890. Now click Apply. Your phone number will instantly become a clickable link. That means when someone visits your site on a mobile device, all they have to do is tap the number and it will open their phone's dialer, ready to call you. On desktop, it can also open calling apps like Skype or Google Voice. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've made your Google site much more user-friendly and accessible to anyone who wants to reach you quickly. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to try it out on your own site today and give your visitors a seamless way to connect with you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.